Hey everyone, welcome to Azul Hair Collection's YouTube channel. This is the place where we do a lot of different hair extension tutorials, as well as it's the home of the giveaway. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out. Alright, today's video is for all my really short hair girls. I have short hair, it is growing out, but I have short hair and I love wearing hair extensions, different type of hair extensions. We're going to be starting a series on how to wear hair extensions with short hair, and I'm going to start with this one by showing you how to apply clip-in hair extensions, which is what I have on today, on short hair. So let's get to it. So just starting with my natural hair, and here are my clip-ins. It's about 200 grams. I like it really full. All right, so most clip-in sets have some small pieces like this, and I'm going to start with those. Take my hair down, and what you're going to do is just part your hair in half, or part your head in half with your hair. This is my quick and easy way to install clip-in hair extensions without having to deal with a lot of leave out. So as you can see here, I just put it in a ponytail and a bun. So with these three small pieces, we're just going to clip them right around this ponytail. So basically I put one on below, one above, and then another one right above there. And this is kind of the completed look here. I know it doesn't look too nice, but don't worry. It's just my quick and easy way to clip in your hair really full. Then you take your long piece in the pack and go ahead and complete that whole section. So it should look pretty clean like this when you're done. Okay, now since you finished the back portion, what you're going to do is just part some hair out right above your last clip-in, and then I'm taking some of my longer pieces now to clip in, and as you can see, this piece is not long enough to go all the way around my head. It's okay, I'm going to be teaching you a trick on how to keep it seamless and keep it going without having to cut your clip-in. So go ahead and put that in, and as you can see, it looks really nice. And with the other side, go ahead and take another longer piece and just measure it where you want it to be placed. As you can see, it overlaps the other clip-in. So what I'm going to do is just take my comb and part some hair right where that part left off, right above that clip-in. I hope that makes sense. So let me speed this up a little bit. Work it all the way around, and boom, there you go. So as you can see, the part kind of goes upwards, but it keeps everything even for you as you clip in. And now that I've come to the other side, you see that I didn't make it to the other side, so we're going to keep layering up. Now when you're at this point, now it's time for you to start working on your crown. Now at the crown, you want to go ahead and decide which side of your head you want your part on, and whether you want it in the middle or not. If you want it in the middle, just keep layering up until you get to the center. But for me, I like to wear a side part. So I'm trying to just plot it out to see where I want it. I think I'm going to put it here on my left side. So I'm just slowly taking my time. I'm a horrible parter, but there you go. Now to finish off the part, or at least that left side, is I put one single piece right where the part is going to be, just to give it kind of a good finish. And then I go ahead and put my leave out right over it, just like that. And I just clip that back until I'm ready to play with it. Now the other side is where I'm going to kind of have a little bit of a, not a bangs, but some hair falling in the front. If you like it to fall like in your face, I suggest you part it this way. If you don't, you can kind of keep it, the part not curving around your forehead. But I'm using a very long piece to clip there, and of course, you know, I like my hair thick, so I clipped in one other long piece, and now I'm clipping in these little two finishing off pieces. Really important, when you finish your look, a paddle brush is excellent. Make sure you hold your head first and then brush. If not, your leave out, your natural hair, it's going to be pulling on that, so you want to be careful. And then once you get through all your tangles, feel free to brush as necessary. And here's the finished look without any styling. I haven't done anything with my edges yet, so don't make fun of me. As well, I just want to show you the back so you can see where you cannot even see the bun that's back there. Even if you put it into a ponytail, excuse my kitchen, but I have some straightening out to do later. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to all my short hair girls who want to wear hair extensions, want to wear something simple and easy to install themselves. Clip-ins are really, really great for that. Gives you a lot of versatility and flexibility. As well, clip-ins are excellent for the summer. You can swim in your clip-ins. I wrote a blog about this a couple years ago. It's gotten a lot of visibility, and I suggest you read it as well. I'll put it in the link below, but give you some more tips and tricks on how to use clip-ins on vacation during the summer and going to the beach or the pool or whatever. So again, hope it was helpful. If not, if you have more questions or need more help, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. I'm happy to answer. If you want some one-on-one attention, we do offer free consultation services. You can go to our website, azulhaircollection.com, and scroll to the left. You'll see that you can book your own consultation service. I'm more than happy to sit down and talk to you about what might work best for you and answer your questions. All right, before you go, let's talk about the freebie giveaway for this video. What I'd like to do, because we are trying to get our name out there to the rest of the world, and I could use your help. If you could take this video link and post it to your social media, at least 2 different platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, whatever you have. If you post it 2 times, send us a screenshot of where you've posted it. Email us at info@azulhaircollection.com. The first person to do this successfully will receive a free set of clip-ins of their choice. So let me know when you've done it by sending me an email at info@azulhaircollection.com, and make sure you send along the screenshot so we can just verify it, and you win a free set of clip-in hair extensions. Alright, so that's our video for today. I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day. I don't know if it's the weekend for you or in the middle of the week, but again, I hope you're having a good day. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, because we'll be doing more videos, especially if you have short hair. You're going to want to subscribe because we'll be doing more videos in regards on wearing different types of hair extensions with short hair. Until next time, ciao!